Good afternoon, sir. Why do you think many fad diets overlook or minimize the importance of hydration? Sir, many fad diets tend to overlook or minimize the importance of hydration because they often focus primarily on restrictive foods intake, calorie counting, or rapid weight loss method, which can sometimes overshadow other essential aspects of health. For example, focus on food, not overall health. Typically, prioritize what you eat rather than how you care for your body as a whole. Hydration, while crucial for overall well-being, may not net into quick fix mentally that this diet promote, which often center around cutting out specific foods or drastically reducing caloric intake. Why do you think many fad diets overlook or minimize the importance of hydration? Number one is distracted priorities. Fad diets often emphasize quick results such as rapid weight loss or muscle gain, which can lead people to focus excessively on restricting certain food or micronutrients. This intense focus on food may overshadow the importance of hydration and balanced nutrition, leading individuals to neglect how water, vitamins, minerals, and other essential nutrients work together to maintain overall health. Number two is dehydration risk. Many people fad diets, especially low carb or high protein diets, can cause rapid water loss in the body. For instance, ketosis, which is included in many low carb diets, leads to reducing in glycogen store, which in turn causes the body to lose water. Number three is nutrients imbalance. Fad diets often promote the restriction or elimination of entire food groups such as carb or fat, leading to imbalance intake of essential nutrients. Number four, misinformation about nutrients. Many people fad diets frequently present an oversimplified or inaccurate view on nutrients, presenting certain food or nutrient as either good or bad, without a deeper understanding of their role in the body. Number five, emotional or physiological impact. Following fad diet can foster unhealthy relationship with food, with eating, because centered or rule and restriction rather than nourishment. This can skew an individual's perception of food as a source of essential nutrients and hydration, instead focusing on food as tool for weight manipulation over time. This mindset may lead to poor dietary habits, difficulty maintaining hydration, and an increased risk of disordered eating behavior.